It's been a while. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. I have decided to take my camera and start shooting because I've been thinking about coming back and making videos, but I'm kind of stuck. I've been stuck and I'm tired of it. So I just wanted to do a little chit chat, not too long. So I'm just gonna jump right in without wasting any more time. If you cannot tell, I'm in a different setting, I'm in a different place. So I'm in the middle of a move. Creating content has become quite challenging, but I am working my way to creating content again. And I really need to get my life organized and be more consistent on here. Secondly, I haven't been sewing a lot. I've been buying more than sewing. Actually, I haven't done any kind of sewing this fall. That's something that tends to happen to me. When it's fall, I want to wear warm clothes. I get inspired to sew based on what I want to wear. So when it's fall, I want to wear sweaters, and I mean, I don't want to sew sweaters unless it's something that is really pretty. At the moment, that's not something I'm so inspired. So if there's anything that you guys would like to see, or if you have any suggestions, I would love to know them. Let me know in the comments below. I would appreciate that. We are in the Christmas season. It's Vlogmas. I love watching Vlogmas from other content creators. I would love to do that, but there's so much going on with me, so that'll be a lot. I am beginning to understand the importance of getting organized and planning. That is what I'm trying to figure out. What I wanted to come on here to show you guys quickly is some of the Christmas decorations that I've been onto. This is the first time I'm actually doing Christmas decorations as an adult. I've always done Christmas decorations with my mom, but then as an adult, this is the first time I'm doing Christmas decorations. So I wanted to show you guys this garland that I got inspired to do from Crate & Barrel. The garland's like $65. However, Target always comes through. So I got these, which for the meantime I've used as my background props. This is so beautiful. I got 3 of these. So the goal is to stack them together. I don't know if I want to use those little metal hooks that we used to hang the ornaments on the tree to tie them together, or just place them on the table and make it more versatile. So whenever I want to change it from using it as a garland, I can easily put it in a vase like this, which I really like as well. So that is that. Also, I want to make this Christmas socks with a burlap. I did see one like that at home, and it was $4 something. I mean, it's not expensive because I've been buying all these things for Christmas, but I'm like, why not make it? So we'll see. If I have time, I'm definitely going to make it because I already have the burlap. If I was going to buy it, it would have made more sense to buy what has already been made because it's just $4.50. I mean, it's not that much than to make it. I didn't want to spend extra money on that. So yeah, so that's what I've been up to. I have some sewing project that I want to film, especially refashion or resizing, so definitely I'll be bringing content very soon. So that's all I wanted to come on here to talk about. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and if you already subscribed, thank you. I do have one subscriber who has been watching my content all the time, and she just makes my heart melt. Like, thank you so much if you're watching this. I really appreciate you. I see you and I really appreciate you, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.